Hello everyone. You're watching the 11th episode of Accredian's Data Bytes series. I'm your host Mausam, your guide to all things tech. Well, on behalf of Accredian, I would like to thank each one of you for showing so much love and support on our Data Bytes series. Well, in today's episode, we bring to you a whirlpool of AI innovations. From Canva's Magic Studio update to LinkedIn's AI enhancements for job hunters and recruiters, and lots more. Stay tuned and keep watching this video. Canva's 10th anniversary gift, Magic Studio, unveils AI-powered design revolution. Canva marks its 10th birthday with Magic Studio, a game-changing AI update. This comprehensive AI toolkit covers Canva's design app and video editing software. The standout feature is Magic Switch, instantly transforming designs into various formats. It also offers an AI-powered text-to-image generator and brand-specific content creation through an AI writer. With visual content being crucial for businesses, Magic Studio makes professional design accessible to all, streamlining content creation. LinkedIn unveils enhanced AI-powered features. LinkedIn is rolling out new AI features to improve user experience. The recruiter platform now integrates AI for better candidate and job searches. A new tool called the Learning Coach offers learning advice and post suggestions for skill improvement. Marketers can benefit from Accelerate, an AI tool designed to streamline marketing campaigns within LinkedIn. In B2B sales, LinkedIn's AI simplifies finding potential connections and engaging with leads. These AI-driven features enhance the platform's efficiency, making LinkedIn a more interactive hub for professional networking. Microsoft integrates OpenAI's DALL-E 3 model for creative AI image generation. In a significant development, Microsoft has integrated OpenAI's advanced DALL-E 3 model into Bing Chat's AI image generation, making creative AI image generation more accessible. This enhancement enhances command understanding, allowing users to produce imaginative and more realistic images. DALL-E 3 also encourages user interaction, offering suggestions and refinements for image ideas. Safety features have also been added to prevent inappropriate or public figure images, and watermarks identify AI-generated images. Well, Microsoft's expansion into AI-driven tech extends to their Paint app, with Paint Co-Creator promising interactive and creative AI image creation despite minor launch setbacks due to high demand. Well, that's a wrap up this week's AI news. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, click on that notification bell, and stay updated on all our future uploads. Well, until next time, keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. I will see you soon.